Hello guys. Today we will learn how to write API test cases with ChatGPT. Okay. How to write API test cases with the ChatGPT. Go here. So I'm taking one more new chat. Okay. So here, no, this is the ChatGPT UI. So where you are going to type the messages. So here some upgrade and some information. So what and all you have searched, no, this is the information. You can archive, you can delete it, or you can keep the same data. If you want no fresh one, you can click here and you can type new chat. Okay, here. So we will learn API test cases using ChatGPT. Right, API test cases with ChatGPT. Right, API test cases with ChatGPT. See, test case one, get response, get request, post. See how it is giving. So get request, fetch all items, right? See, even endpoints it is giving, method it is giving. What should be the response to 100K? I expected a list of items. So get request, fetch single item. So endpoint. What is the endpoint? So after the URL, we'll get the endpoint. Okay. So this is how mhm, mhm, we will fetch the API test cases by ChatGPT test cases in tabular format, tabular format with test case, test case IDs. With test case IDs, you'll see. So this is the prompt I am giving. See, test case ID it is giving endpoints. This is very good, right? See, here I'm asking ChatGPT, write API test case with ChatGPT. This is the initial one, what we have searched here in the ChatGPT. This is the prompt I have provided. And coming here, which write API test case with ChatGPT in tabular format with test case ID. See, test case ID, test case description, pitch a single one. I do not count it. So endpoints, we are getting endpoints. What is the method? What is the parameter of? Okay, query parameters. What are the path parameter, query parameter? We can get here. And so this is the body. Hmm? JSON, in the name of JSON, we are providing here. Payload, we call it as payload, okay, for post. Put. Okay, so some status code, expected response. Very good, very beautiful. So this is how we will create the test cases. API testing, API test cases. We are getting the ChatGPT is giving us like the information. So whatever we ask, for that question, it has written the information. It is good. I hope this is very helpful, guys.